This is the Ekster aluminum card holder, and this is the Pro version. What's the difference? Let's go ahead and unbox them first. Okay, so I just got a new package from Ekster. I'm pretty sure I know what it is. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Okay, we got 3 different products here. This one looks to be their original aluminum card holder. This is their new card holder. And this is an accessory for the new card holder, which is the cash clip. Okay, let's unbox the original one really quick. Nice, very familiar feeling. I used to rock one of these all the time. Very smooth, super satisfying. You can hold up to 6 cards, and then you can hold additional cards and cash on the back and on the strap as well. Okay, this is the new one. Let's see what's different about it. Paperwork. At first glance, it looks pretty much the same. It is a little bit heftier. There are additional features which I will talk about later. Yeah, it is a little bit thicker. The back plate is thicker for sure. Oh wow, this one has 7 cards. That's crazy. I'm not sure if it holds additional cards. There's just 7 that includes inside. Got the 1 card in the back plate as well. That's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and unbox the cash clip. Very, very cool. Super premium, and all you have to do is slide off the old one. Put the new one on, and you're good to go. I actually really like the cash clip look. Super premium. Sick. Whew. It is so hot in my room right now, but the show must go on. We gotta make this video, so let's go ahead and do it. Also, I think I'm getting sick because my voice is deeper than usual and it feels a little bit dry and almost itchy. It meaning my throat. Anyways, yeah, there's not much of a difference. They're pretty identical, and if you love the card holder, if you've had one in the past or if you're using one currently, then you're definitely gonna love the Pro. If you want to know my ending thoughts, the conclusion pretty much to this video, the Pro, you gotta get the Pro. If you like this, then you'll definitely like this. But if you want to know what the specific differences are, because they're pretty substantial in my opinion, then go ahead and keep watching the video. So in my first impressions, I did say that it was a little bit heavier. I noticed it was heavier. It's not that much heavier, but you can tell that the actual card holder part is larger because it is a larger capacity now. Instead of 4 to 6 cards with the original one, it's 5 to 7 cards now with the Card Holder Pro, and that is a welcome change. You can hold more cards. Dude, it's so satisfying. This one's pretty satisfying too, but I believe that the reason why the Pro is more satisfying is because they've upgraded it now to metal button and metal mechanism. So if I take the cards out, you can kind of hear it. It's metal in comparison to the original card holder. So this one's a little bit more quieter. You can tell that it's a plastic mechanism, and I personally, in my opinion, the Card Holder Pro, it feels a lot more satisfying. Of course, the design is pretty much the same. You still got the branding on the side and on the cash strap, and yeah, I imagine that they upgraded the mechanism and the button because it is a larger capacity and for durability purposes, which does add to the weight now that I think about it. But again, it's not it's not that noticeable. Oh yeah, this thing is made out of 100% recycled aluminum now, which is pretty cool, and I thought that would be something very interesting to share, especially if you are into saving the environment and preventing it from getting any worse. Something pretty cool that I've done a video on recently is the Ekster Finder card. So I have it in the Pro right here, and I just put it in the back where you can store additional cards. If you're a person that tends to lose their wallet a lot, then I highly recommend it, especially if you have an iOS device, because this is now compatible with the Find My app, so there's no need for third-party applications, and that alone, in my opinion, is so worth it. And it's super thin, it's pretty seamless with your Cardholder Pro as well, and yeah, like, dude, it's a no-brainer. It's definitely worth the investment, and even if you don't lose your wallet that often, that extra peace of mind is definitely something to consider. You can also add other accessories to it. As you can see, I have the cash clip, but then there's also a coin tray and a tool card that you can add, and it's pretty cool. Go ahead and check out the website and make sure to use my code JBEYCINEMA if you're interested. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to support the channel. I greatly appreciate you. Other than that, they're pretty much the same thing, but this one's just better. If you're like me and want to have the best of the best, this is the one to go for. I'm definitely gonna be bringing this with me on my trip to Europe because it's so convenient. I really hope you found this video helpful, useful. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. I make tech videos, I make travel videos, I make vlogs. So if you're interested in any of those things, make sure to subscribe. Big shout out to Ekster for sending over these wallets to check out, and so that I have content to publish on my YouTube channel. So big shout out to them. Again, everything that I say in this video are my own thoughts and opinions. I'm hungry. I'm probably gonna grab a bite. Thanks for listening.